So yeah, if I talk about your one-on-one interaction in this subject, so you will, if I talk about the best size which we provided. Good evening, aspirants. Welcome to Plutus IS again. Today I am here to delighting the announcement of botany optional that is started from 29th of November in Apsara building in Karol Bagh. The timing of this optional subject is 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. This subject is provided in 3 modes, that is your online mode, offline and hybrid. Those students who are interested in Indian Forest Services or giving this examination in like UPSC, CSE, and if they want to go within a botany, they can. If I talk about the faculty which is provided by the Plutus IAS in this is Khushmeet Kaur ma'am, which is completed her MSc in from Jamia Hamdard itself. So yeah, if I talk about your one-on-one interaction in this subject, so you will, if I talk about the best size which we provided, and everybody knows कि Plutus IAS अपने batch size की वजह से ही जाना जाता है, तो that is only for 45 students. और वो 45 students आपके online, offline और hybrid modes तीनों को मिला के रहेंगे. It just because we are providing you the most fabulous faculty जिनका जामिया हमदर्द से MSc रहा है, मास्टर्स कंप्लीट रहा है, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि अगर एक डाउट को भी स्टूडेंट सॉल्व कराने के लिए जाएगा तो मिनिमम इट्स टेक 5 to 10 minutes. तो फॉर 45 स्टूडेंट्स, या फॉर यू इट्स ओनली वन डाउट at time, but for ma'am it's 45 doubts. Now if I talk about the length of the duration and the things, actually the length of this botany subject of paper 1 and paper 2 is completed into the 5 to 6 months approx, including your test series. So if you are quite interested to join this batch, please call the numbers which are coming on your screen. Thank you.